Guys, this might just be the craziest Starbucks
in the world.
This is probably the sickest view of a coffee shop that I've ever seen. Oh yeah, cancel all the videos for today. I'm sitting right here and I'm watching this view all day.
What?
Hey, what is up guys? We are in Tagaytay, the Philippines. We are venturing out to discover a few restaurants, coffee spots and markets here around the area. And right now we're stopping at a crazy, awesome Starbucks that I actually recently saw on the Juicy Vlogs channel. So I just had to come and check it out for myself. Guys, check out this view. This is probably the sickest view of a coffee shop that I've ever seen.
Insane. This is so nice.
Oh yeah, cancel all the videos for today. I'm sitting right here and I'm watching this view all day.
I have never seen a Starbucks with such a nice view. What? Okay, we got ourselves some hot drinks because I'm actually feeling cold here. I don't know why. I think it's one of the very rare moments where I feel cold in the Philippines, and it's I think 23 degrees, right?
22, yeah.
22 degrees. So I'm warming up with my tea, and I'll enjoy the view for a little bit because it's so stunning. What?
This Starbucks is called the Starbucks Domicillo Design Starbucks. But the name Domicillo Design doesn't really have to do anything with Starbucks. I just found out this is actually a hotel.
What?
This building is a hotel.
Really?
So the Starbucks is just located on top of a hotel, and that's where it gets its name from.
Oh, wait. What's below there?
Hotel. But yeah, impeccable view. Coffee is still undeniably Starbucks coffee.
That's a very nice way to say it.
A very, very nice way. Very, very flattering way to say it. But guys, there's a way to hack your Starbucks coffee. So if you find yourself in need to go to Starbucks, there's another solution. Ask for your flat white kids temperature.
Yeah.
Right? So
The mic hack.
sometimes they understand kids temperature, sometimes they understand just warm. Worst case scenario, 120F. You can tell them that's the best way you can make your milk beverage at Starbucks taste better. So because usually they make it very hot.
Do you know which one is the TAAL Volcano? Is that the TAAL Volcano?
No, the other side.
Other side?
Yeah.
Or where the clouds are?
Yeah.
Then you should have known that.
Oh, we've been there.
Should have.
The video is linked up here.
You're gonna make the sound. People won't click if we don't go.
Yeah. So that was really nice. Very dusty, very
Yes.
hot, but fun experience. You know?
Very much so.
Unfortunately, the weather today is a little bit weird. It's cloudy. It's kind of looks like it's going to rain,
Yeah.
but it's still very nice.
So there's also a second Starbucks here that I think has a almost equally as awesome view, which is just down the road, and we might pop by there. But Nelly said before we're gonna stop by Bag of Beans because
Choi told us they have the most amazing Blueberry Cheesecake.
Happy wife, happy life, happy cameraman, good videos.
Discover there are monkeys down there. Oh, so many monkeys! Oh my
I got ish to do, flying through the sky in my parachute, dancing on the couch like I'm Tommy Cruise, on a one-man mission trying to see it through, yeah. I got the password, yeah, I finally got the password. Added up the numbers, now the math works. I got the way to make the path work. All these lights turning from red to green, timing is everything. And it feels so good to shine, gon' get a light. I'm living my best life, living my best life. So come and get it like I'm living my best life.
So we just left Mike in the car. Parking is full because this is a very popular spot. So we just jumped out to get the cheesecake for takeout.
No more working at or ballet. I had to rock the boat so I could ride the wave, yeah.
Okay, I think we found what we were looking for. Let's just hope they have some cheesecake there. But this restaurant is so cute. We've been here already. Food is amazing. Interior looks super nice, and we also have a very nice view.
Living my best life. So come and get it like I'm living my best life. My best life. Perfect timing, sun is shining, nothing more I need.
We got what we were looking for, so now we are looking for a spot where to enjoy, indulge. But next stop is the second Starbucks, so let's go.
I'm living my best life, living my best life.
Alright, we've arrived at the next Starbucks location. I will say the Starbucks isn't as pretty as the other one, but I think the view might be quite nice.
Yeah.
Check it out. Not bad at all. I mean, the other Starbucks definitely has a better view.
This one is nice too.
It's an uninterrupted view. Here you got like a little platform in front of you, but still it's very nice. Gives you a bit of a different angle than the other Starbucks.
Yeah. I think I prefer the other one.
Yeah, definitely. This one's not nearly as nice. So one thing I noticed driving up and down this road here in Tagaytay, you have a plethora of food and beverage offerings here. You have restaurants, fast food restaurants, coffee shops, bakeries, all with an amazing view to the side of the hill, I guess. So there's like so much to choose from. I think it would take us, like we'd have to stay here for 2 weeks to really try each and every spot. And alone in this area there are so many really very good places that I like.
Yeah.
Like Bag of Beans, like Breakfast at Antonio's.
Not a
and,
Starbucks.
And another place that we still need to try, which is Antonio's Restaurant, which is a dinner place, like a higher class kind of restaurant, which looks very nice and I really want to try it. We're also going to check out a good bulalo spot here in Tagaytay. We're actually going to do that today. And we're going to check out a market that also does sell bulalo, some food, and I think some furniture as well.
I hope so.
Yeah.
I'm looking for some furniture. But I definitely can see why people are coming to Tagaytay. It has a slight... it has a... Oops, sorry. It
I gotta edit this, you know?
Mike mentioned it earlier on, it has a very Mediterranean flair. It's not as hot as it is in Manila or other areas in the Philippines. And it's just, you said it reminded you a little bit of Italy.
Yeah, coming in, it looks a bit like Tuscany actually.
Yeah, and it's like these trees that I just touched in the front. It's like, it looks so cool.
Really nice. And the thing that's crazy is, it took us, I think, like around 50 minutes to get here.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Yeah, 50 minutes to 1 hour and 10 minutes depending on traffic.
Yeah.
So it's really quick to get here from Manila. And yeah, great for like a day trip, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've come upstairs because the view is even a little bit nicer from up here.
Yeah.
You can actually see a little town down directly by the water, which is really cute. Nelly got herself another beverage. What did you get?
Green tea.
Green tea?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, I had to make time because there was a server from Starbucks clearing the table and we snuck in our contraband. So we're gonna give the Starbucks Blueberry Cheesecake a try. What is your weapon of choice? The fork or the spoon?
Fork.
Ooh. Was that a good decision?
I don't know. Let's see.
Alright, let's
You
give
go
this a
ahead.
try.
Good?
Oh, that is so good.
Okay, on a scale from 1 to 10, how good is it?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Okay, I have to see. I have to do the quality check.
Cheesecake often has like kind of a bit of a pasty texture, but this is just so creamy and soft.
Ah! Okay, the fork might not have been the best idea. Oh my god.
So good, right?
Oh. It's like an ice cream cheesecake. Ooh. Super
So
creamy.
good, right?
Oh my god, it reminds me of
Heaven.
heaven. Yep.
So guys, if you ever come to Tagaytay, definitely try the Starbucks cheesecake. Bag of beans.
Wow. Good choice, Troy. Really good choice.
So unfortunate we only got 2.
Okay, cut. It's from.
Look at that. Beautiful.
We have a really nice graham cracker bottom. Then we have this ice cream in between. Then this creamy, delicious cream. And of course, this beautiful blueberry jam. Oh, so nice.
This Starbucks, or these 2 Starbucks, have been quite the experience. I did not expect the view to be as phenomenal as it really
it's
is.
amazing.
I'm sure the videos and the pictures don't do it justice, so
No.
you need to come here,
Yeah.
check it out for yourselves. If you're in Manila, it's a really quick drive to get here, and it's well worth the time. Not just for these locations here, but all the restaurants around this area are really cool. I would say it is a culinary hotspot
Agree.
in the general like Luzon area.
Yep.
2 thumbs up for this. We are going to show you a few more spots of Tagaytay over the next few days. So if you're interested in content like that, be sure that you have subscribed to this channel. If you're new around here, turn on the notifications, and also let us know in the comments down below what your favorite spots in Tagaytay are.
Yep. That's it for today.
That's it for today.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Same time, same place. Remember to stay awesome
Be positive.
and make it happen. Bye bye.